36 divided by 6 times the quantity 2 plus 2 plus 2. Look at those three 2's. Your brain wants to simplify this, and that's where you'll fail. Most people solve the parentheses first. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Now you've got 36 divided by 6 times 6. Here's where people mess up. They think 6 times 6 is 36, so 36 divided by 36 is 1. That's the trap answer. But the 6 is not married to the 6. Once the parentheses are done, you have division and multiplication side by side. They're equal in priority, which means you go left to right. No shortcuts. Let's do this right. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. 6 times 6 equals 36. The answer is 36, not 1. This is the classic implied multiplication trap on steroids. You were off by 36 times because you thought that 6 belonged with the 6 in parentheses. It doesn't. If this humbled you, leave a like and subscribe. I've got an endless supply of these traps waiting for you.